This morning, Puerto Rico is waking up under a tropical storm warning and hurricane watch.
As millions brace for another possible disaster, we're learning the Federal Emergency Management Agency is losing funding. Nadia Romero is in Puerto Rico with the very latest.
Puerto Rico on high alert. Tropical storm Dorian is gaining strength as it spins towards the already devastated island. And now the Trump administration is pulling $155 million in FEMA disaster relief. Homeland Security is shifting the money to fund support for its policy of returning migrants to Mexico. The timing may impact potential relief efforts in the already fragile Puerto Rico.
The main hazard associated with this storm is the heavy rain.
The island is still recovering from the impact of 2017's Hurricane Maria that killed nearly 3,000 people.
This is all the Maria left. FEMA only gave me $8,000. which to repair.
Now survivors are gearing up for yet another possible disaster. The National Weather Service says Dorian may become a hurricane as it reaches the island on Wednesday.
This is not a good place to be in the next 2 or 3 days. The good news is this will be a very quick storm.
FEMA has positioned supplies in Puerto Rico ahead of the storm, and local officials opened hundreds of shelters as residents fear the worst.
If we receive rain today, you see those small little holes? The rain will pour in.
In Ponce, Puerto Rico, I'm Nadia Romero.
Now there's another big concern, the island's 911 system. The mayor of San Juan is saying that if the power goes out, there's no backup.
By the end of the week, what's left of Dorian is expected to move toward the Bahamas and possibly into Florida.